Send money to Vietnam via PayPal? Hitting a wall with PayPal in Vietnam? Here's the clean workaround that actually works. PayPal isn't fully supported for domestic payouts there, but Xoom, PayPal's own cross-border service, lets you send money into Vietnam fast and securely. Here's how I do it. Log into Xoom with your PayPal account, choose Vietnam, enter the amount, then pick how your recipient gets the cash, bank deposit or cash pickup at partnered locations. Add your recipient's full name exactly as on their ID and their bank details if you're depositing. Pay with your linked bank account or card through PayPal/Xoom. Before you confirm, check the fees and the exchange rate. Xoom shows both clearly so you know the true cost. Timing is solid. Cash pickup can be near instant during partner hours, while bank deposits usually land the same day or next business day depending on the bank. Typical limits apply, and larger transfers may trigger extra ID checks. Pro tips from a middle-aged guy who sent plenty: double-check name spellings with Vietnamese diacritics, keep the receipt code handy for pickups, and avoid weekend cutoffs for bank transfers. That's the smart, low-friction way to send money to Vietnam with the PayPal ecosystem.